Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
5 affordable marketing strategies to skyrocket your business. We hear all the time this saying, you need money to make money. But how is that helpful for small business owners trying to grow on a budget? The answer is, it's not. So today, I'm sharing 5 affordable marketing strategies you can start using today to grow your business. The first affordable marketing strategy we're covering is blog writing. Blog writing for your website is on the list for a few reasons. First of all, it's free to do if you're the one doing it. It just costs time. But second of all, what's the title of this video again? Affordable marketing strategies. Check. To grow or skyrocket your business. Check. Not all marketing strategies that are affordable actually work to grow your business. This one does, and here's why. Blog writing for your website means you're publishing content to the internet around a topic that is relevant to your business and your customers. You're showing your value as a business by answering questions your customers have, showing them how to do things and more for free. For example, if you own a law firm, this could be a blog answering the most questions people have in finding the right lawyer or in certain court case scenarios. If you own a retail store, this could be a blog showing how your pieces fit on different body types or showing how to make different outfits with their mix and match pieces. But every type of business you're in, you just want to make sure that your blog is about topics or questions that your audience is actually searching for. So when people are Googling what kind of lawyer do I need if I got hurt in a car accident that wasn't my fault, then your blog and website appears at the top of the organic search results. This process is called SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. And it's important because the top 3 organic search results receive more than 68% of all clicks on the Google search page, and number 1 organic search result receives more clicks than results 3 to 10 combined. You want that qualified traffic going to your website, not your competitors. In this case, with blog writing, you're establishing authority on topics that are relevant to you and your audience, and Google takes note of that when deciding which pages to put at the top of the search results. Now, there are 3 keys to making this work. Number 1, you need to make sure your audience actually searches for things related to your business at least upwards of 800 to 1,000 times a month. You can check this for free by going to Google's free keyword planner, or you can type in any search query called the keyword and see if people are searching that keyword and how often. If there are relevant keywords around your offerings being searched every month on Google, then the second thing you need to do to make this strategy work is make sure you are including those keywords throughout your blog. If you're a plumber and want to rank for how to fix a kitchen sink leak, then that keyword needs to be sprinkled throughout a blog made solely to answer that question. The idea is that you provide real value to your audience while establishing yourself as an authority in your industry at the same time, so that when your customers get to the point of making a purchasing decision, they purchase from you and not your competitors. And the last thing that you need to consider is that topic authority and keywords are one of many factors that Google considers when deciding which pages to rank for any given keyword. So check out our SEO playlist. I will link it below so that you can understand some of the other things you can do to accompany your blog writing efforts. The second affordable marketing strategy to grow your business is to build a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something of value that you give to your audience in exchange for their contact information. This could be a coupon code, an ebook, a quiz, a budget calculator for whatever you offer, and so on. A lot of people can actually repurpose their blogs to be a lead magnet, making their efforts doubly valuable. Whatever it is, it needs to be something that your target audience would actually want, something that draws them in with value that they really care about. Hopefully, you've done some customer research up to this point to know what that would be. But if you haven't done that yet, now is the time, because a lead magnet is not going to work if it's just an okay piece of content or something that they're like, I don't really need that. The third affordable marketing strategy is to pair an organic posting strategy with an influencer strategy. Now, this method is not free, but it is affordable, so let's break it down. Posting organic content is free. You create your free social media accounts, optimize them, post content for your customers on there. All free, but just posting content by itself doesn't always get you the growth and revenue that most business owners want. That's where partnerships with influencers comes in. But not just any influencers, nano influencers. Are influencers specifically with 1,000 to 10,000 followers, and therefore are typically more affordable to work with than someone who has 500,000 followers, let's say. You find a nano influencer within your niche, somebody whose followers would likely be interested in what you sell, and you pay them to post about your product or service. You can either pay them a flat fee or give them a unique discount code to share with their followers so that you can directly track how many sales they're bringing that they earn commission on. You'll need to iron out those details with each individual influencer you work with. But this strategy is sometimes even more cost-effective than running ads directly because these influencers have built a rapport with their followers. Their followers trust them, so even though they can see that their posts about your products are sponsored posts, they trust that the influencer would only partner with you if they really believed in your product. And again, not only do nano influencers typically cost less because they have a smaller audience, but their engagement rates tend to be higher because they're that much closer with their audience. So sometimes the conversion rate from working with a smaller influencer is better than working with a bigger one anyhow. The fourth affordable marketing strategy you can do is if you do have a budget, put it towards social media ads. Now, I know I just said working with influencers can be more lucrative than running ads, but it just depends on the nature of your business. Not every business or industry really lends itself to working with influencers. Now, if you're capable of spending a minimum of $300 to $500 a month or more, then I would recommend running a sales or a lead campaign on Facebook and Instagram to generate the most results. You can take that lead magnet you made earlier and advertise that to draw more qualified leads and customers. But if you don't have that kind of budget right now, then I would at the very least boost post. Boosting posts, aka running the engagement campaign on Ads Manager, optimizes for engagement, not sales or leads, but it's extremely cheap. So if that's all you can afford right now until you run the bigger ad campaigns, then you gotta do what you gotta do. You can boost a post for $1, $5, $30, what have you. The very least, it will help drive some reach and bring awareness for your business at a very low cost. And you can retarget that engagement later with a sales or lead campaign to drive conversions at a low cost when you're ready. The last affordable marketing strategy I have for you today is a word of mouth referral program. This is one of those work smarter, not harder tactics because if you already have happy clients or customers, their value does not end with their own purchase. Their value can extend into driving more clients and customers for your business with the referral program. Trust is statistically one of the key ingredients that cause people to buy, and consumers don't trust anybody more than their friends and family. So reward existing customers for referring new ones to you to give them incentive, and you get new customers by simply capitalizing on your existing ones. It's a win-win for everybody. And that's it for today's video.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you the Course Funnels, online courses platform with integrated marketing. Host anywhere, supports 17 languages, 6 profit-boosting plugins included, made to sell and get you profits. Just don't make courses, sell them and turn them into profits. Build your course sales pages and entire funnels, all within Course Funnels. Grab opt-in leads and deliver your courses instantly. Get paid using any payment system you want. Includes profit and conversion-boosting plugins that save hundreds a month. Integrates every popular payment system, CRM and autoresponder. Rich interaction with inbuilt comments, review, and questions inbuilt. Integrations for live chat, Facebook Messenger, bots, support desk, conversion proof, etc. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Course Funnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.